to the very first class of how to make your own marionette puppet. In this class, we're going to be doing the joints for the puppet, we're going to make a template, and last but not least, we're going to make some sketches for a puppet. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the materials. First, you need dough. It can be either air dry or in the oven or anything. You just need dough or clay. You need water to smooth out the dough when we do the puppet. You need toothpicks and a screwdriver, or either one of these. If you just have one, it's okay. You need clips for the hooks or the joints for the puppet. You need pliers to unbend and bend the clips. You need tape and a graph paper or just paper if you don't have one, and a scratch paper to like design or like plan out, okay? And pencil and eraser to write on these papers, scissors for the tape. Okay, so first we're gonna start out with the hooks. We need the clips and pliers. So what you need to do is hold the clip, the plier, and what we need here is this side. This side, the one opposite to the small one. Hold it and you start unbending. Okay, so then you find the center of the hook. You find the center. And then when you have the center, you place the pliers around the center, like 2 on each side of the center. And then we need to cut it in half. So to do that, just keep on bending it, bending. So you just keep on bending it forward and backwards. You do that a long time, you just have them in half. So we take one, we place the plier in the middle, and then you bend the sides around it. So you bend it this way. So what you have is this shape, okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just like a hook. So a hook, then you need to close it. You need to close it, okay? And then after you have, you cross it like the overlap like this. You start twisting it. So you take it, you take the end and you twist the clip. One twist is enough, but I like twisting it more. So this is the shape you're gonna end up with. It's kind of a hook, and then it's twisted, okay? And then you leave that aside. You take the other half that we cut, and then you place the middle. Same thing, like same exact thing, but no, it's not exactly the same. After you bend both sides, do not twist. First, place in the first one you've done. Place it in, and then start twisting. So what you end up with is something like this. 2 hooks together. Okay, this is gonna be the joint. So between every limb of the puppet, there's gonna be a joint. So you need 9 pairs of these. So you do this 9 times. This is how the puppet is gonna be. So these hooks are gonna hold the limbs together. So this is gonna be like the shoulder. This is also gonna be like the elbow. But actually, here it's gonna be a straight line, like a hook, straight line, hook. It's gonna be one straight line. Here too, same thing. Okay, we're gonna get that. I'm gonna do that now, okay with you? But, so we need one here and one here. And then, we need one here and one here. So we'll make 2 more of these, okay? There are different, like, different shapes, like I wanna show you. So I'll make the knees first the same exact way, but actually to save time, I already have them done from before, so I just get 2 more of these. So one here and the one here. Okay, now we're gonna use a different way. We're gonna make it longer so it can like be stabilized inside the body, because the body is big. So first we need to take this side opposite to the small side. So this side, we're gonna hold it with a plier, take the other side, and then you're gonna unbend and unbend. But this time we're not gonna fully unbend. Actually, going to overlap them right away. So I'm gonna overlap them. It's the same thing. You can do these if they're like more familiar. If you're more familiar to them, you can do the same exact ones. But I just wanted to show you different ways, so you can pick the one that makes you like you're most comfortable with. So you make them overlap, and then you start twisting. See, it's the same thing, like it's the same exact thing, but it's just longer. We skipped a step. We did not cut it in half. We just have it longer, so it can be deeper. Like, you know, the roots are deeper to the body, so it's gonna like be more stable. It's gonna be stronger. So for the other side, we're gonna make one of these small ones, because there is no much space like for all of this to fit in the thigh. So make one. Don't forget to put it in before you twist the hook. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. You can make them in any shape you want. Like, you know, you can play a bit with them. But you don't need to. Like, it's just for fun. You make them like this. Okay. Now, we need 9 pairs of hooks. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'll tell you the hands and the feet what we're gonna do, and the head is different. So we need to make the same exact thing for the shoulders.